welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to be getting into the summer spirit today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my makeup. This is pretty much my go-to. I think it's so perfect for summer. It's glowy and bronze and it's quick, which is awesome. And I'm actually partnering with FabFitFun to make today's video. You guys already know how obsessed I am with FabFitFun. If you guys don't already know what FabFitFun is, which I'm sure all of you already do, but it's a seasonal subscription box. It's only $39.99 if you're new and you use my discount code, which is just my initials, EN. So for all that money, you get like $200 to $300 worth of product in this box that just comes right to your door. It's so fun and easy. So I feel like I say this every single season, but I definitely think that this is my favorite box so far. But come fall, I'll probably be saying that all over again. So the first thing that came in my box is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So this is going to be hydrating, rejuvenating, it's going to be refining. It's just a really quick and easy mask to use to go ahead and refresh your skin in the summer. So then the next item that I got is actually another skincare item, and this is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's just going to be a face scrub, but what's awesome about this is that their exfoliators are actually plant derived, so they're going to be biodegradable and better for our environment. And then next up, I have a rose water spray. I'm almost out of the facial spray that I have right now, so this is perfect timing. Facial sprays like this are awesome because you can use them to prep your skin, you can use them after your makeup as a setting spray, you can use them with your skincare routine, you can use them later in the day, like you can use them so many different ways, so they're just multi-purposeful and really refreshing for your face. And then I got a fun little exfoliating foot mask from the brand Wish. Obviously going into sandal season, this is so perfect. I'm not someone that gets pedicures often at all, maybe like once a year, so stuff like this is really fun for me to do at home and kind of feel like I'm getting that pedicure experience, but I don't have to go anywhere. And then next up we have the Ico Felt Tip Black Liquid Liner. I feel like a girl can't have enough of these, but what's awesome about this one is that it actually has a tripeptide built into the formula, so it's going to be a lash booster as well. And then this is something that I was super excited to see. Oh, that's backwards. So this is something that I was super excited to see. I'm not positive on how to pronounce this brand. I don't know if it's like Skin. It's like 3 ones and then it says Skin. I've seen a lot of people post about this brand on social media, but this is a 5-pack of their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment. The value of this is $160. Yes, you heard me right, $160. And since this is a 5-pack, if you're going to be having a sleepover or you're in a bridal party and you want to do something with all the bridesmaids, that's really awesome to do with friends. So then next up, you guys probably can't see from there, but it's this cute little gold chain necklace and it has these really delicate just little gold stars on it. I don't typically wear jewelry like this, but I tried it on and I just love how simple it is and the way that it looks. So then next up, perfect for summer, there's a pack of Invisibobble hair ties. These are literally my favorite hair tie. They don't crease your hair and they stay in. They're not like constantly sliding out. So I was so excited to see these because 1, I lose mine all the time, and 2, they're really expensive. And then I would say the holy grail of the box was the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, and it actually came with the shower gel as well, but mine's in my shower because I used it this morning. But this smells so amazing. It's the perfect scent specifically for summer, but I personally would use it year round. And by using the shower gel and then layering it with the Bum Bum Cream, it's like the best scent. You don't need a perfume or anything. So that was everything that I got in my summer box. If you got anything different in yours, go ahead and let me know in the comment section because not everyone gets the same things, which is really cool. And without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the get ready with me portion of the video. So before I actually get started with my makeup, I want to prep my skin with the Purple Clay face mask that came in my FabFitFun box. But before I actually get started with the face mask, I'm going to take one of the Invisibobbles that came in my box and just pull my hair like half up. I just blow dried it and styled it and everything, so I just don't want it to get any of the face mask on it. I personally really like doing face masks in the morning. I feel like it just kind of like refreshes my skin and wakes me up and everything. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's it for my summer makeup tutorial. And then since that's going to take a couple minutes to dry, I'm going to put on my Bum Bum Cream while I wait. You guys have no clue how happy I was when I saw this in the box. When I was in the shower this morning, I actually used the shower gel as well. So by like using the body wash and then putting on the body cream, it's just going to like layer up the scent and make it last even longer. Like I want a candle that smells like this. I want shampoo that smells like this. Like I want everything in my life to smell like this Bum Bum Cream now that I've tried it and have joined the bandwagon and gotten as hooked as everyone else. So as you guys can see, this face mask is drying really, really fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to rinse it off, and I'm gonna change into my outfit for the day, and then I will be back to do my makeup. So now that I'm all fresh faced and my mask is off and I can go ahead and get started with my makeup, I am going to prime my skin with the Grace and Stella Rose Water Spray that came in my box. I love using sprays as primers because they're so quick and so easy, and something like this is just super refreshing to use, especially in the summer. So as a foundation recently, I've pretty much only been using tinted moisturizers. I just feel like there's no need for me to do something that's super full coverage on a day-to-day basis. So I always just dot my foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and use more of a stippling motion to make sure I have an even layer all over. And then once it's pretty even, I'll go ahead and start buffing it in to make sure there's no streaks or spots that I missed or anything like that. And then I'm just going to go in with a little dot of concealer under each eye. I do skip this step. I want to say like half the time that I do my makeup. I don't really do under eye concealer just because I don't really care to, and I'm trying to be quick when I do my makeup. But I'm going to work later and I have a long day, so I do want to go ahead and just add a little bit more coverage under my eyes. So I just do a little dot and then I pat it in with my finger. So then now that that's all blended out, my under eyes crease pretty easily, so I do use a dry beauty blender and just some translucent powder. And I don't really call this baking because I don't use a ton of powder. I just press in enough to set everything in place and keep my under eyes from creasing. So I just pat everything out to make sure there aren't any lines in the concealer already, and then I just press this in with, like I said, a dry beauty blender. And then to set the rest of my face makeup, I just use a fluffy brush and a tinted pressed powder, and I start off by just pressing it into my skin, and then I'll go ahead and start buffing it in, and then I'll just wipe underneath my eyes to make sure that there's none of that translucent powder left over. And then I am a huge bronzer person. I do this pretty much every single day, even if I don't do any other type of cheek color or anything like that. So I actually just like to use a pretty big fluffy brush when I do mine, and I just do it like on my cheeks and a little bit up on my forehead. I don't really contour necessarily. I just like to warm up my face because I'm super pale. And then I feel like I've always been a matte blush kind of girl, but recently I've been using this like rosy one that has gold sparkle in it, and I just think that looks so pretty and it makes my skin look really dewy and glowy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that above the bronzer. And then because this has some shimmer in it, I've actually been skipping highlighter, which is super weird for me. But I just really like the way that this looks, and it's still more of like a natural glow rather than an intense blush and highlight kind of look. So then that wraps up my face makeup. So to set everything in place, I'm just going to use the Rose Water Spray again, and this is going to just kind of lock everything in place and get rid of that like powdery, cakey kind of look. And then a lot of the times I actually stop here with my makeup. I might just put on like a lip balm or a lip gloss or something, but I skip mascara a lot because that is time consuming. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mascara. I feel like this definitely takes my makeup to the next level and just kind of makes everything look a little bit more complete. But if I just want it to be more natural or something quick, like I said, I'll just stop here. And then I'm actually not gonna fill in my brows. I'm just gonna comb through them a little bit to make sure that like there's no foundation or powder or anything on them, because that can make them look kind of ashy. All right, and then I'm just topping off. I can't talk and do this. I don't know why I'm trying. Okay, and then I just finished up my look with some lip gloss. This is one of my all-time favorite steps. I pretty much only wear lip gloss on my lips now, or like a glossy lip balm or a tinted chapstick. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I wear on my lips. And then that wraps up my day-to-day makeup. 9 times out of 10, this is what my makeup is on a day-to-day basis. I just think it's so quick and easy. It honestly takes me about 10 minutes to do, which is pretty much all the time that I usually have to do my makeup. But I love how put together it is, and it's so easy to adjust or add steps or take something away if I don't have as much time, or I'm going somewhere that I want to be a little bit more put together. So all of the products that I used will be listed in the description box. If you guys have any questions or recommendations for something similar, definitely let me know and I'll try to get to all of the comments. So thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely adore FabFitFun. You guys have heard me talk about them so many times. I can't get enough of their boxes, and it's like the best part of starting each season. So if you guys are a beauty junkie like I am, this is literally the best way to try new products and maybe get exposed to brands or companies that you wouldn't have already heard of. So I hope that you guys are excited for summer. Let me know what kind of summer videos you want to see in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's all I have for you guys today. So I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!